Welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I will show you how to send blank messages in WhatsApp. By default, there is no option in WhatsApp to send blank messages. Look at that. There is no send icon appear here whenever until you not type anything here like this. The send option will appear here. So how to send the blank messages? For this, you need to just download a simple app from Google Play Store called empty text send blank text. So it's a simple and very lightweight app. Just download this app. After this, open this app and tap on send empty text, and that's it. Now select your WhatsApp contact and then check on this, and now just simply tap on this send option. Look at that. I have sent blank messages. That's it. So this will a good idea to prank with your friends, and I don't think these are useful things, but this is just for a fun and prank with someone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.